Good morning, guys. Hope you are well. So today is a very exciting day because right now I am on my way to Swindon to meet up with my boy Kelvin, who is a property investor, and he's basically going to be showing us around his recent development, which is basically a 3-bed terraced house which he is converting into a 5-bed all-ensuite HMO. Big man. What you saying, brother?
You right, bro?
You right?
Yeah, good man.
How's it going? Let me jump in here real quick.
Yeah, but
So this is what's this, room 1?
this is bedroom 1. So they're all double bedrooms, all a decent size, all en suite as well. So
Nice.
we just tried to keep it fairly neutral with the colours. So I'm going for like a nice blue in here.
Oh, nice.
With white tiles to contrast it. Obviously you can see.
I do like these tiles as well.
Yeah, they're fairly simple. I think they're simple but effective if you go for like a nice contrasting colour with them.
Yeah, I feel like you can't go wrong, to be honest with you.
So the bed's going to go here.
Okay.
Bedside table, and then we're going to put a desk in the bay.
Nice.
Wardrobe here.
Nice. Nice.
So, yes.
How many meters squared is this room?
I'm not sure actually. I'll have to double check in the drawings. I think it's around 10 square meters.
10 square meters. Okay,
so
cool.
it's a good size.
Yeah. Really nice size.
This is one of the-
Especially with an ensuite as well. I feel like
Yeah.
now people like definitely need an ensuite in like every room.
Just step onto bedroom 2. Which again is a decent size. The good thing about these this property as well is the windows. Got massive windows, so you can
Oh, nice. That is a really big window. You can't even tell by on camera, but that is a really big window.
Yeah, massive.
Yeah.
A lot of the rooms are similar, so
Oh, nice.
Natural lighting.
Nice.
Good.
Did you install those, or was it already in the property?
They're already in.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's-
Really nice.
yeah.
Really nice.
And this actually also had like a, I don't know if you can see, there's a panel underneath. So I think originally this was a door.
Okay. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, you can see it down
So
there.
I've just insulated this, just because obviously it's going to be a bit of a cold point in the winter.
Yeah.
So we've insulated it, and we're going to put a windowsill here.
Nice.
Decent sized common area. We've got sofa going here.
Cool.
So we're gonna have probably a big 3-seater sofa.
Nice.
A nice tall rad here, so like a designer rad.
Nice.
And then TV in this corner.
Okay.
So the wall there, TV in that corner.
Yeah.
And then obviously kitchen area. So we're putting in 2 fridge freezers here.
Nice.
And then this is just being retiles and tilers in today, finishing off this.
Okay. Isn't this the original kitchen that was
Yeah,
in
it's the
before?
original kitchen, so I kept it. It wasn't bad condition. Obviously, it needs a bit of a clean, but it's not too bad condition. This one's getting there still, but the ceiling fell down last week due to. So basically, there was wallpaper on the ceiling before, and then someone put Artex over it at some point.
Okay.
And then we plastered over the top, not knowing that there was wallpaper underneath.
Yeah.
And the moisture soaked through and loosened the ceiling, loosened the wallpaper, and it all fell down.
Wow. I'll see if I can get a photo for you guys. That is crazy.
Yeah, so the plasterers have to come in again this week, reboard and skim again, which is not ideal, but
Ensuite to her, I'm guessing?
yeah, ensuite in here. So again, this one's a bit of a funny size, but yeah, it's a decent size still.
Nice tucked away
So
ensuite.
yeah, meter by 800.
Nice.
Shower tray. And then obviously toilet basin,
Toilet basin.
towel rolls going on that wall.
Lovely. Spotlights in there?
Yeah, 3 spotlights in each ensuite and extraction.
Lovely.
Yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. wouldn't say there's been too many challenges, to be honest. Obviously the ceiling falling in this room set us back a tiny bit, but the builder's been pretty good, and they kind of got back on track. The only main challenge really is just managing it all in terms of a time perspective, because I work full time as well. Just managing this, just managing the time and making sure I'm organised, making sure the materials I'm getting there on site in time for the builder or whatever trade that needs them.
What's been your favourite part of this process?
Seeing it all come together. Obviously now it's looking like a bit more of a house than before. I think that's like the best bit when you start to get plaster on the walls and you start getting like the walls start to become whitewashed. It starts looking like a house again. Because there's always that bit, I don't know if you find that, but at the beginning of a project, when you start stripping out and the property starts to look
You're like, yeah, this could go either way.
Yeah, just see it come back together really. Just be persistent really. I know obviously it's perceived that you need a lot of money to get to property, but yeah, just make sure you do your research. There's a lot of free information out there on social media and online. So just make sure you do your research, research what strategy you want to do, set some goals, and just be persistent when you're doing kind of viewings and speaking to other investors. Just yeah, make sure you get as much information as you can and just try and be persistent in securing deals. It's a bit of a hot market out there at the moment, so it's difficult. But yeah, you just got to keep at it and just make sure you can get into properties as quickly as possible, put your offers down, and yeah, eventually you'll secure them.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. Where can people find you?
So mate, I'm mostly active on Instagram, so it's KLC Property. I'm on there and I'm doing project updates pretty much every week on this, and you'll see some of my previous stuff on there as well. So yeah, have a look on there, give me a follow.
Give him a follow, guys. Give him a follow. Hey guys, so back home now, and it was really cool to see what Kelvin has got going on. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next vlog style video. Peace.